This is the 15th Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud. It's the 15th unresolved question, or a question that we must wait until Elijah comes as he heralds the Messiah, son of David, and we must wait until that time to get the answer to this question. The 15th Taiku in Talmud Bavli is found in Tractate Shabbat, page 88, with the word Tana. Tana, shtei ois yois b'dayoi, shtei ois es bekulmus, shtei ois es bekulmorin, boi rovo ois achas b'dioi, ois achas bekulmus, ois achas bekulmorin mahu teiku. This is a relatively straightforward, simple teiku. A Tanatat Tosefta, the measure that determines liability for carrying out ink, is equivalent to that which is used to write 2 letters when he carries out dried ink, and 2 letters when the ink is in the quill, and 2 letters in the inkwell. Rava raised a dilemma. What is the halacha if one carried out sufficient ink to write 1 letter in the form of dried ink, and sufficient ink to write only 1 letter? Think about how, the Gemara is not saying this, but think about how little ink, a small amount of ink that is. Sufficient ink to write 1 letter in the quill, and sufficient ink to write 1 letter in the inkwell. Do they join together to constitute the measure for liability? Okay, so he had enough ink to write in dry and 1 in the quill. So it's 2 altogether, but they're in different forms. So do they join together to constitute the measure for liability, or is each considered separate? If it's dried ink or if it's liquid ink, do they combine? Maybe they don't combine because they're different things. So that's the 15th Taiku in Shas, found in Shabbat 88. No resolution was found for this dilemma, therefore let it stand unresolved until the coming of Messiah.